One of the reasons that we love working with ImageTrend is the ability to have almost complete control over our forms and the ability to deploy custom questions. So from a form perspective, we try to strike a balance between requiring our members to capture things that are required by a state or national agency or things that our agency wants to look at, but not making them capture superfluous data, because nobody signs up to be in fire and EMS to do reports. So we try to make it as easy on them as possible while capturing the information that we need. And then from a supplemental question perspective, the ability to create and deploy those on our own allows us to fill in gaps in the data set. So NFIRS obviously is decades old, soon to be replaced with NARIS. A couple of years ago, senior leadership came to us and they said, we need information on extrication. It doesn't exist, but we can get it for you. So we created within our fire form of about a dozen different questions related to extrication that captured the information they were looking for. And over the course of years, we've collected that data and we're now able to provide them with answers that otherwise would not be available.
I was very impressed at just how they treated their employees and the environment that they were creating as a company. And I've always said that's an organization I could work for, right? And I see that in the employees. I just see that everybody takes pride in what they do and is just more than willing to help in any way. And I just appreciate that. That's been a great experience for me.
ImageTrend is really good about looking at where they're at and then trying to determine where they want to go and how they can be better. I love that they're always pushing the boundaries of trying to make the system better. When you work in the public sector, you wind up seeing that a lot of stuff is made and no one ever updates it, no one ever manages it. And we just take things for, oh, well, that's just the way it is. But at ImageTrend, they're always trying to find a way to make it that much better, that much more efficient, and then see how they can improve the organizations and the ultimate delivery to the customers.
The difference that having the field product has made every day for our crews, that change in business process has been monumental. I think the ability to take that charting process out of a handwritten form that you bring into the office and then input into a homegrown system into a process where reliably, consistently, you have a piece of IT equipment in the field that you're able to complete that charting. And as you're driving back to the station, you could be potentially done. Has just created efficiencies and helped our crews to stay fresh. And
so the biggest thing, and I know that's what we always get told, is customization. Honestly, being able to write stuff into the EMS form to get what information I want out of it and to make sure that we're getting everything has been huge.
The support team, the implementation team, all the people that have helped us with our product so far, with the ImageTrend product, are fantastic. They really are. I mean, as a consumer, I cannot say that I've had a better experience than what we're having right now.
ImageTrend's doing a fantastic job of listening to the needs of the customers. And ultimately the customers are, even though it's the fire services and EMS agencies, that has dramatic effect on the people that we serve in the community.
User voice is huge. So when we have different ideas, the fact that we can just go in and put it and people talk about it, we try to help beta test different things. So looking at the virtual pre-plan, so we're sitting on that, trying to help that from there. Your checklist, your inventory, like you can plug and play and then you don't have to recreate most of your work, like with the library. The fact that you can download things and then customize it to your department needs, but you don't have to just sit there and think out of the box, like, what should I add in this? It kind of gives you a head start, where some of the other applications or systems that we use, it's like, we can't bring this over, we can't do this, you just have to start from scratch, and we don't have to do that. So it makes us a little bit more efficient of what we're doing.
We were able to customize ImageTrend again to meet our current business rules and how we did inspections every day. We didn't have to retrain staff because of a new software. It just looks different, it feels different, it acts a little different, but the information that they're inputting is the same.
You listen to your clients. You take the input that they have seriously. When there is an issue, it's easily resolved within a matter of minutes to an hour.
I like how robust it is. It's in my mind, it works very much like PC and Mac, Mac's very user-friendly, but you can't really alter much. ImageTrend is more the PC where I can alter everything to the nth degree.
The customizable, just how you can do so much with kind of so little. Like it's really easy to move everything, but it's very easy to conform to whatever you want. So I love that.
The thing I like most about ImageTrend is it is adaptable. What I tell our leadership team is you come to me with an idea and I'll make it work. Whether I got to build a supplemental question and then some scheduled report that happens every day just to get information, or the way it's intuitively built, like with checklists and sending you emails.